everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story upload issue. If you're trying to upload a story on Instagram but it is showing upload failed, try again, error message. That means you are not being able to upload your story at the moment. So if you want to fix the issue, then simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to fix the Instagram story upload issue on your mobile device, then the process is quite easy. The first thing to do is to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you have a weak internet connection, then you won't be able to upload your stories on Instagram. So simply go ahead and check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. You can also try turning off your Wi-Fi or simply unplug your router or your modem. Wait for a few seconds and plug it in back again. Or you can also simply turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you establish a stable internet connection, you might be able to fix your issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for your Instagram app. Go and tap open App Store or your Play Store on your mobile device. In the search box, type in Instagram, and once you perform your search, if you see an update button popping up right next to your Instagram app, then simply tap on the update button to begin downloading the latest update for the app. Wait until the application updates, and once it does, you might be able to fix your issue. Even after updating your application to the latest version, if you're still having a problem, then the next thing to do is to check if your mobile device is updated to the latest software. If you are not updated to your latest software on your mobile device, then it may make it incompatible with the newer version of Instagram, so always make sure to keep your mobile device up to date. Go and tap open settings, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap general. From the general tab, tap on software update and check for any updates available for your mobile device. Simply go ahead and download the latest software update, and once you are done with it, open up your Instagram app and try uploading your story again. Once you follow these steps that I mentioned, you might be able to fix your Instagram story upload issue. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.